Hopefully it's a good angle for you guys, but we have the new filter performance part on, along with a bigger jet inside. I just took it out for a ride, and I can definitely feel a difference. It is much quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead, film a little video, just a quick little one right along to the street and back. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to let me know, because like I said, we do have headlights and taillights, so we can take this thing out for a night cruise, at least a very quick one, or just do more ride-alongs if that interests you guys. So let me know in the comments below. We still do have to get a breathers for the tank and for the valve cover as well. But let's go ahead. Like I said, hopefully this is a good angle for you guys. Hopefully it's a good angle. I do have a GoPro, but it doesn't work, but I would like to get it fixed. So maybe we can do more legit videos. Fuel on. Much faster. That's kind of creepy. Definitely a lot quicker having an exhaust, intake, and bigger jets. Much quicker. Wow. A lot of cops over in this area right down there, so it's a little scary taking it out on the street. Cops are right here or right there across the street, but we're gonna try to get back